are big. When they mount on the hen, now they pluck off the feathers as they fertilize the air. And we are happy to know that already they are mating. Ningetaka ufeel the meat in it. The meat, weight-wise. Weight-wise. There is a lot of meat. So even after laying, I'm able to sell my bird not as an X-ray. I sell the meat that is in it.
It is very heavy.
Yeah. So hata nikiuzia mtu 1000 na niko na 4 kg. Hata naona ananunua kilo moja kwa shilingi 250. So atakibia anunue. Now at the end of the day, we shall collect all eggs from our different entries. All those eggs will be brought here in the evening. Once they are here, I'll take my stool, I'll sit down, I'll get myself a candling light, then I'll scan them. Now in the brooder, you see we have that bulb, the infrared bulb.
Yes.
That is a heating device. That is a heating device. And we have the other one, this is only for writing. Now this other one is to give light when we don't need the heat. But we give light to the chicks. Like now, let me say I switch off the heater. Then we have the light. This bulb is just 7 watts. It's an energy saver. It's just for only lighting only.
Yes.
Then these chicks can be held here until they are 15 days. Then we can transfer them from here to this ground incubator.
Okay.
Wow, great. All right, so wow, so much to learn still, so much to learn about urban chicken farming, indigenous chicken farming. So as we are still continuing the show, please let us cross over to crop husbandry with Mr. Samuel Mwangi from Latia Resource Center.
Welcome back. My name is Beatrice Nyambura, and today we visit Latia Resource Center located in Isinya, Kajiado County, where we meet Mr. Samuel Mwangi, the Senior Agribusiness Advisor. Tell us what you have prepared for us today.
For today, we are going to talk about managing insect pests inside the greenhouses.
What would you consider the main challenge to greenhouse vegetable growers?
Scouting is one of the most neglected. Farmers are no longer scouting their crops, and in most cases, farmers cannot even identify what problem it is. So in that case, it's more serious because you can't institute measures for managing the insect pests for something which you can't even identify in the first place.
Kindly tell us the steps that you would advise farmers to take to manage pests and insects.
The farmers need to take several steps in managing the insect pests in the greenhouses. The first step is to find of all get the right information. Get the correct information. What crops are they growing? What crops are they intending to grow? What are the major pests affecting those crops? For example, I would say if you are growing tomatoes in the greenhouses, it is important that you understand the major insect pests. And in Kenya, what we have witnessed the leaf mining moth, the Tuta absoluta, wiping out greenhouses. We have seen huge multiplication of red spider mites and the broad mites inside the greenhouses. White flies ravaging farmers. You've seen thrips making the produce unsellable. So first of all, get the correct information. Number two, you need to build a business case. For your production unit, is there a business case or not? And that's where Latia comes in. You need to get a business plan for your production unit. You need to incorporate the technical advice, the training, the level of personnel you need, the fertilizers, the chemicals, the house designs, all that need to be factored in so that you are not caught unawares in the middle of your production venture.
Wow, that was so much to learn from today's show, Arable Africa. More so from In the Farm segment. I'm personally so convinced. I think I need to start urban farming. That was so beautiful. And I think you too can do it. If you have some little space in your home, please put up some structures, get the license from the Nairobi City County government. I mean, you don't want to be caught. And then you can practice indigenous poultry farming in your home. I mean, make some money and have more profit. So that has been all about today's show, Arable Africa. Please make sure you catch us on our social media handles. That is Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. Arable Africa and Faraji Kevin. Talk to us, share with us what you think about the show. Also check us out on the numbers on your screen right now and the email addresses. Please send us your requests because we will love to come and spend time with you in your farm and show us how you do agribusiness. So until next week, same time, same place. I've been your host, Faraji Kevin. But just before I leave you, I'm going to leave you with the market value. I mean, as always, get to know what to buy, where, and at what price. See you.